Good morning. So this morning I was kind of umming and ahhing whether I should actually do some decluttering before I leave because I only have a few minutes, and I wanted to go into the drawer. And I have a drawer which is kind of part of my launch pad. So you put your handbag or whatever bag you use during the day, so you put that away, and then you've got your launch pad that has your keys. In my case, it's my sunglasses and things that I need to get at a second's notice. But I have not that drawer in particular where I keep the keys. I have just kind of put stuff in there since we moved into this house, which is nearly a year, and it's not overflowing yet, so it's still organized and you can't see it. So I am going to do that very quickly. Scary, scary, scary. And then I'm gonna rush out of the house and get on with my day. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, so this took a little bit longer than the other mornings where I just did surfaces, but guess what? I have found $70, and that's in a drawer I use all the time. So what we do with that top drawer is that when we purchase something, we actually keep the receipts in there for a little while just in case we have to bring it back. So it's a good system, but over the year you end up with receipts that you luckily didn't have to use to return items. So there were quite a few receipts there. There were keys. Our bikes have gotten stolen this year, so some of those keys are from the stolen bikes, but I have to check them. So I put all the keys in a container together, and I was a bit hesitant touching my hubby stuff. So coins, all I have left is just my key, and I can in the weekend use this a bit for my sunglasses and my wallet. And then we've got hubby's pile that I was very mindful not to touch too much because it's his stuff, but if it was coins or keys, I put them in the container. It's good, walking out of the house and I already have $70. I haven't done anything yet. Okay. So today I'm actually organizing and decluttering stuff on the computer, like my calendar and photo things, just to, when I open the computer, feel a sense of calm and peace. Yeah. Hey, so another time that I actually can feel like driving to Salvation Army or wherever you drop it off. But I have stuff all ready to go in the car, so all I have to do is park in the shop and drop it off. I'm actually quite happy dropping this off. This was a miss buy, so I've used it for a week, and someone